Dick and Mac McDonald opened a drive-in in California in 1940. In 1948, they rebuilt it as a fast walk-up service. 15-cent burgers and 10-cent fries attracted enormous loyal crowds. They ordered 8 multi-mixer milkshake machines. One restaurant used 8. Ray Kroc was a 52-year-old milkshake salesman who visited in 1954. Kroc was dazzled by the efficiency and the happy customers. The very next morning, Kroc proposed taking McDonald's national. The brothers were comfortable. They drove Cadillacs and enjoyed their life. Kroc became their franchise agent with a slim revenue cut. Kroc opened his first franchise in Des Plaines in 1955. Kroc sold franchises aggressively east of the Mississippi River. Kroc clashed with the brothers over franchise standards and control. An advisor revealed the real money was in owning the land. Kroc bought the land under each new McDonald's, becoming the landlord. In 1961, Kroc offered the brothers $2.7 million. The sale did not include their original San Bernardino restaurant. The brothers renamed their original restaurant the Big M and continued. Kroc opened a new McDonald's franchise directly across the street. The Big M closed within a year, defeated by the franchise. The brothers received no royalties as McDonald's grew to billions. Ray Kroc consistently claimed to be the founder of McDonald's. McDonald's went public in 1965. Kroc became extraordinarily wealthy. By the 1970s, Kroc was a billionaire, and McDonald's was massive. A franchisee invented the Big Mac. Kroc kept the royalties. The Golden Arches became the world's most recognized corporate symbol. By 1980, McDonald's already operated in over 40 countries. McDonald's serves 70 million customers per day across the world. There are over 40,000 McDonald's restaurants in 100 countries. Dick McDonald died in 1998 with a modest personal fortune. Mac McDonald died in 1971, watching his name go everywhere. The 2016 film The Founder depicted Kroc as a ruthless opportunist. The brothers had a royalty handshake deal Kroc never honored. $2.7 million in 1961, McDonald's earned that in minutes later. The speedy service system invented fast food as we know it. McDonald's fries are the same taste in every country on Earth. Kroc said a drowning rival deserved a hose in their mouth. The original San Bernardino site is now a small museum. McDonald's earns over $23 billion in annual revenue. 2 brothers invented fast food. A salesman took the name. Dick and Mac invented the system that feeds 70 million daily.